Let's learn how to change the turtle's shape in Python using the Trinket.io website. We begin by opening the Trinket editor. Before we start writing code, we need to copy some lines from the View and Edit Image area. These lines help us use an image from the image library in our code. Just scroll down, select the code, and click Copy. Then paste this code into your code editor at the top. This sets up the screen and lets us choose a custom shape for the turtle. Click the Image Library button on the right. You can upload your own image or choose one from the public library. In this example, we picked the image called rocketship.gif. After that, we tell the turtle to use this image as its new shape. Now, we're ready to draw. We give the turtle some simple commands, and it moves across the screen while drawing a shape, like a square. As it moves, you'll notice the turtle now looks like a rocket ship. This makes your program more fun and creative. You can try using different images and shapes to make your turtle drawings more exciting. And that's how you customize the turtle's shape in Trinket.